Good morning, I'm Jose Espinosa, and in today's video, we're discussing a brand plan for McDonald's. Before talking about the business plan, we have to do a company review created in 1940 by Richard and Maurice McDonald. McDonald's is the revolutionary movement of fast food, highlighting the high volume of low-cost burgers that led to being bought by Ray Kroc in 1961. And in 1967, they started their international expansion to success, being present in more than 100 countries. McDonald's is looking to keep their brand reputation and improve in a digital era of efficiency, change, updates, speed, and brand loyalty. First effect is that the customers will like faster experiences. For example, faster experiences at the moment of ordering the food inside the app or the website. And they would like to customize better whatever they want in their burger or their products. The second effect is that it will require less interaction with the workers at the counter for the customers, since the customers right now they can order at the self-service machine and they just have to pick up the food at the counter, and it reduces the interaction between customer and workers since they just pick up the food and they leave. The third effect is that there will be higher demand in online stores, for example, in the app or the website, because there will be more promotions, more advertising for the online app, for the website. So people would like to try these new deals to save some money. The final effect is that there's going to be more online competition. But why? This will happen because McDonald's will create a revolution with the online app and with the website, that the other competitors will try to adapt that idea to their brand identity. And for that reason, McDonald's will have to keep their brand identity stronger than before, because other competitors will try to do the same idea and customers could get confused. So McDonald's will have goals for the next 3 years, and the first one is expanding the app orders around at 60%. The main reason behind this is because hosting an app for McDonald's, it costs a lot of money and you have to get some revenue from that. So for that reason, expanding the app orders around at 60%, it will be a great number for the next 3 years. Furthermore, McDonald's has to pay people to update the app, upgrade the app, and fix bugs when the app has bugs. So for that reason, increasing at 60% the app orders will be a great number. The second one, create an AI engine to customize better ethically. I'm highlighting ethically because they have to let the people know that they're using their data to create customization, but they are just using for that customization. They are not selling to third parties or using it for other things. It will be just used for customization and to suggest better products for you. The final one, create a better loyalty reward system for app or web page customers. For example, creating some specific deals for people who are ordering in the app or in the website, and something that they could have and people who go to the restaurant won't have. For example, every Friday getting free French fries, and people who are going to the in-person restaurant, they won't have that deal because it's just an online exclusive, motivating them to switch to online app or website. Brand narrative. The current brand narrative is that they make delicious feel-good moments easy for everyone. However, for the next 3 years, the new brand narrative should be built on the fastest, accessible, digitally customized service brand in the world, respecting consistency and family affordability with innovations. Because if you're not creating something new, you're losing against your competitors in the market. For that reason, McDonald's has to be the leader of the market and the leader of the digital customized experience. It's important to discuss market segmentation because there's going to be demographic with Gen Z, millennials, families, professionals with short time since they are going to work a lot and they will not have time to cook, and developing specific ideas and deals for them will catch their attention. Psychographic, people who buy food where it's convenient based on price and technology. We would like to keep them as loyal customers. Behavioral, loyal to the brand rewards, a strong bond with their electronic devices, and hybrid purchasers. For example, they buy the food when they are at their office and they go to pick up at the restaurant. Now, we have the brand vision. The brand vision is to be the quickest and most reliable digitally and hybrid integrated restaurant in the world, with some future objectives. For example, AI personalization ethically and in real time, having the best suggestions from the AI in real time if you're in the app, the website, or the self-service machine at the restaurant. And omni-channel connectivity is going to be important because, for example, if you see a deal on Instagram, you're going to scan the QR code and connect it to the app. So having like an environment in which all the apps are connected, even social media can work with the QR codes, it will be a great technological impact for McDonald's. Talking about the environment of apps working together, we have the brand ecosystem. McDonald's need to put their whole system to let people know how it works. The ecosystem includes McDonald's, McCafe, McDelivery, drive-through, web, mobile app ecosystem. So this to let people know that everything works together and everything is related. Brand positioning. For technological consumers who have a lot of tasks to do, McDonald's is proud to present quick, delicious, and affordable meals through the app, drive through, hybrid, or in store experiences. This will let customers know they have different options to buy McDonald's and they are not left behind. They are included in McDonald's plan no matter how far they are from McDonald's. It's about letting them know that McDonald's will be there for them and they have several options to order. Here we have the brand persona. Her name, Kelsey, with 25 years old. Occupation, office worker. Behavior, orders in the app or website, and she values her money. Thanks to the deals and rewards, creating loyalty for McDonald's. She wants minimal human interaction. There are some opportunities for McDonald's. Improving the app and implementing AI suggestions, creating a better division for digital pickup. Rewards after buying many times in a month. However, there are also pain points like Kelsey in the waiting lines, she doesn't like that. Apps with bugs, Kelsey doesn't like bugs in the apps and having mistakes while ordering and incomplete orders. Since McDonald's respect their customers, there's a value proposition map in which there are customer ideas, for example, getting their food quickly, respecting their budget, and creating a simple process to order in the app or website, making their life way easier and not complicated, making them stay as loyal customers for a lot of years. However, what the customer gains from this? For example, AI customization memory, rewards for loyalty, and quickest process compared to other restaurants thanks to their feedback and training the staff. Now, McDonald's as a company has to offer some solutions. For example, AI customization memory to make people remember what they ordered before and get some suggestions based on AI to see what they ordered this time or if they order what they ordered the last time. Then they are going to reward people for loyalty, lines for people who ordered online to create a division between people who ordered online and they're just going to the restaurant to pick up their food and the ones who are ordering in restaurant and they're eating in the restaurant. Giving updates to the app frequently to avoid bugs or glitches. And finally, promotions for online or hybrid customers. For the ones who are ordering in the app, something exclusive for them as it was mentioned on the beginning of the video. Brand communication and strategy. McDonald's needs to have a tone and message. Friendly, direct, digital oriented about speed, rewards, and online convenience. With some channels of communication, for example, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, email, app push-up notifications, and drive-through reminders. The digital brand strategy is important because customers will like to have a fluent mobile app, more promotions for online users, something that the store customers will not have, contactless payment, for example, Apple Pay or Google Pay, marketing about the online app, having promotions and advertising in different websites about the deals from the online app, AI help service, for example, AI helping me to get some food, giving me some suggestions based on what I ordered previously. Interacting with the customers in social media and social listening is very important because they will know that we are there listening to their suggestions, and if they ask for certain combos or products to be back, we can actually put them back and become like a brand that it's actually always listening to their customers. For example, McDonald's in social media can see different opinions of the people to see if the burgers are good, if the app is working correctly, or to see what their competition is doing. For example, if Burger King is missing something, we can add it to our menu and get some customers of Burger King thanks to social listening and see that they are actually missing something. Internal brand culture. Train staff with technological courses. This is because they will need to learn how to use the self machine in case someone needs help, or having more technology in the workplace, improving different departments with technology, and reduce resistance to change. If you're not changing in 2026, you're not adapting to technology and your business will go down. So McDonald's has to adapt. Buyer journey map. The first step, awareness. They see the ad in social media and they download the McDonald's app. Consideration is the second step. They see the burgers online and they see rewards and promotions and they see that it's convenient for them. They take the buying decision and order via app, and they have the loyalty to get rewards and repeat the process. The final objective is the one that McDonald's get the brand loyalty and more people to use the app. This is because customers will recommend the app to their friends, and their friends that are going to recommend it to their other friends, and it becomes a chain in which McDonald's win because people recommend people their app and their discounts. The brand management wheel. How customers perceive brand identity. How is the customer experience? For example, how is the experience with the app, with the restaurant, with the burgers? How is the digital ecosystem? If actually I can use the QR code from Instagram to get the reward in the app. How is the internal culture? How they work inside, and the feedbacks. How are we doing with the feedbacks? If we are doing great or if something has to improve. The main idea here is to create evaluations and then reinforce or improve decisions. Now, McDonald's has a big brand management structure. So here's the summary. It has the president, the top level executive, in which it has the CEO, the vice president, the finance department, the marketing department, sales department, restaurant level executive, and restaurant employees as the brand management structure. Brand measurement metrics, sales percentage of the app, how much people use the app, how many products are being sold on the app. Number 2, how many people enroll to loyalty programs. Number 3, app engagement rate. Number 4, how many years McDonald's keep their customers. For how many years are they loyal to the brand. Now, competitive advantage and communication. Create better communication. Basically, in the app or in the website, you can see that there's information for all the products there and the events that are going to happen, the promotions that are going to happen, and there's also communication between the workers, and also helping the staff to adapt to new technologies is key, because if they know how to work with technology, the business can succeed even better. They're consistent with the brand message and they have a clear digital marketing message, meaning that they have separated into different target markets and they want to create their digital message based on different groups. To conclude, we have the prediction for the next 3 years. For the key trend, growth of digital and hybrid experiences. The first one, interactions between workers and people are less than before. It's because people are ordering in the app and they are just going to the restaurant to pick up their product and that's it. Or the ones who go to the restaurant are just using the self machine to order and they are just picking the product at the counter. There's also going to be exclusive promotion for the app users, avoiding them to go to the restaurant. They can actually also order in Mac delivery. AI suggestions to understand the customer perfectly. Maybe AI can speak with the customer and just if they want, they can speak to a real person. And finally, online sales are going to increase 55 or 60% more. That's it, everything was covered. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day. Thank you.